Okay, so for Friday today, um, since I'm going with football, here are the things that you need to do. Number one, I need you to go to IXL and I need you to go to section X5. So with IXL X5, it's going to ask you ask you to figure out which sentence type is given. So there are four types of sentences, and I'm going to include a video that go over these in more detail. But a simple sentence has your subject, your predicate, and your object. A compound sentence has two independent clauses. A complex sentence has a dependent clause and an independent clause. Compound complex has two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. So you're going to look at these and you're going to go through them to the best of your ability. This is the last IXL section that will be due today. All of your IXL sections that we've done since the last one will be due today. So this one, for instance, Leonardo da Vinci, who was a renowned painter and sculptor, was also an inventor and scientist. So I need to ask myself, are there dependent and are there independent clauses? If you just go through and guess and start clicking just start clicking, you are not going to be able to do this one. I've noticed that some of you have gone through and just click, 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 and trying to get to a high enough percent. You need to get to 80% for this IXL section. When you get something wrong, look at the explanation and see if you can figure out what was wrong. So for this one, since it takes approximately 1,000 years for a huge printer cartridge to decompose, is that a complete thought? Recycling these plastic ink dispensers help the environment. I would say this is a complex sentence because this is dependent on this phrase. Okay, so you're just going to go through and do that. Now, when you have done that, you've gotten to 80%. On my desk, there are copies of the study guide for chapter 7 through 8. So what you are going to do today, after you finish IXL, you're going to go to, on your iPad, you're going to pull up The Outsiders, and then you're going to start reading chapter 7 and filling out that study guide. If you've read chapter 7, you need to be working on your essay. You don't have time to waste, so keep working on that essay. If you have questions, please reach out to me and let me know. I will try and answer them to the best that I can while traveling. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Let me know if there are questions. Feel free to refer back to the videos that I linked to this one.